Ever wonder how we measure mountains? The answer is a seriously powerful math tool, trigonometry.
I know, sounds impossible, right? But the secret is actually hidden inside this simple shape.
So what's the magic behind it? Well, it all boils down to some simple ratios.
And specifically, we're going to focus on the right-angled triangle. It's the absolute foundation of trig.
Okay, before we jump into the ratios, we need to know the key players.
First up, we have the perpendicular. It's always the side directly across from our angle.
And next is the base. That's the side right next to or adjacent to our angle.
And finally, you've got the hypotenuse. It's the longest side opposite that 90-degree angle.
All right, now that we know the sides, let's look at the powerful ratios they create.
The first ratio is sine. Just think opposite over hypotenuse. Super simple, but so powerful.
Next up, cosine. This one is the side next to the angle over the hypotenuse.
And then there's tangent. This compares opposite and adjacent sides, but hypotenuse sits this one out.
But wait, there's more. Each of these three has a flip side, or a reciprocal.
And check out how neatly they pair up. You've got cosecant, secant, and cotangent.
Okay, theory's great and all, but let's see it in action. We've got a triangle to solve.
Whoa, hang on a second. We're missing a side. How are we going to find it?
Easy. We just use the good old Pythagorean theorem. Plug in the numbers, and boom, it's 12.
Awesome. Now that all three sides are here, we're ready to roll. Let's find those ratios.
So from angle A's point of view, sine A is opposite over hypotenuse. That's 12 over 13.
Now let's switch to angle C. Here, the adjacent side is 12. So cos C is 12/13.
Okay, back to angle A for a sec. Tangent is opposite over adjacent, so that's 12 over 5.
And you can do that for every single ratio. See? Once you have the sides, it's just simple fractions.
So this is way more than just textbook math. It's a toolkit for everything you see.
So now you've got the basics to measure almost anything. The real question is, what will you measure?